What's up, guys? This is Zach with BitcoinLockup.com coming at you with another hardware wallet unboxing video here and review. So in today's third and final video of the SecuX wallets, we are going to take a look at their highest level wallet here. This is the version 20 or V20 as they call it here, and looks like it comes in a completely different form factor than the previous two wallets, so I'm excited to see how this works out. Now, this wallet here is coming in at a retail price of $149.99. If you use my link down below and use the coupon code BitcoinLockup, all one word, you will get an extra 10% off at checkout, so make sure to do that if you are interested in this wallet. So let's go ahead and unbox it and take a look at what we have with this new form factor. So presentation is going to be very similar as the other two wallets that we've looked at here in some previous videos here. This is a wireless and Bluetooth wallet as well. So you can manage it through their iOS and Android app. And as far as taking a look, it looks like it's a pretty interesting shaped device. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. Your basic coin support here is going to be Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, and all ERC20 tokens. So it doesn't look like you're going to get any extra coin support on this wallet than the previous version wallets, but it does look like it is coming in a nicer, higher quality form factor, and they are always adding new coins all the time. So with new firmware upgrades and new software updates, you'll be able to get new coins as time goes on. But if you're only hodling these basic coins here, you should be perfectly fine. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the security tape here. Oops. And unbox this. Ooh, okay. So this is pretty interesting here. So this one does still have the 2.8-inch LCD touchscreen display, but the form factor here, it looks like an octagon. It looks like a very classy looking stop sign. Looking at here, it's pretty thick and it looks very durable. So it's kind of got like a stainless steel aluminum kind of coating, so it feels very durable. And then it's got what feels kind of like a soft rubber backing here with the company logo, so it makes sure that you don't have any scuffs or scratches if you drop it. So it looks pretty interesting. And then you have a single button here for turning it on, powering it on. And allows you to set your pin. So I'll do a follow-up video for this for full setup and tutorial of this, but full color display and allows you to activate and get it set up. It looks like it comes fully charged as well, so that's pretty interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the security tape here and see if there's a different connector or if it's still the micro USB. Ooh, okay, so it actually looks like it's coming in with a USB-C, which is a more universal cable. So that's pretty interesting. They definitely have some nice upgrades on this wallet as compared to the other two. The previous wallet, the SecuX V20, that one retails at $129. But again, you'll get a discount using my code for each of these wallets, depending on which one you want to go with. But so far, this is looking like a really good, high-quality wallet. And this single button that they have up here, again, is also for not only turning it on, but for authorizing and holding and signing transactions as well. So pretty interesting. Let's see what comes in this box here. Looks like the foam is a little bit different. And same with the other. You get a basic read me first sheet telling you to upgrade the device firmware. It explains how to pair the Bluetooth connection and to connect it to the iOS and Android app, and some basic troubleshooting tips, and making some upgrades. It looks like you can take it apart as well, which is interesting. We'll have to dive deeper into that with the tutorial video, see why they did that. But we have a basic getting started guide. Kind of goes over the general concepts of crypto security and how to get it set up, and setting up your OTP or one-time password for extra security. So it doesn't look like that option's available on the other two wallets, and that must be why this is the highest end wallet that they have. Looks like we also have two recovery seed sheets, which is pretty standard and comes with most hardware wallets as well, and covers up to a 24-word backup phrase. So very nice. You want to obviously make sure to keep this in a safe place, because if anything ever goes wrong, if you lose it, if you break it, you can recover all your coins on a different wallet, whether it be another hardware wallet or another software or desktop wallet. So looks like it also comes again with a very nice velvet pouch for protecting it, making sure that the screen doesn't get scuffed and so on, with the company logo. Doesn't look like it indicates that there's Bitcoin or any cryptocurrencies on the velvet pouch, so some unsuspecting people aren't going to automatically know what it is, so that's very nice. And then inside the pouch, it looks like it just comes with a 2-foot cable, and this is a USB-C to USB-A, so a little bit different than the other ones. So this is a very, very higher quality cable, a little bit longer, and you're going to get more efficient charging and more efficient and quicker transfer as well. So I'm going to wrap up this video here for the unboxing and the review. I'm very excited to test these out and actually do a full tutorial and review on them, but this wallet right here is probably my favorite out of them. I'm very interested to see how the interface works and how you can authorize and actually send and receive, but this is a very cool looking device, very high quality. The feel of it feels really solid, but very excited to check this out in the next video. So again, if you're interested in obtaining this wallet, use my link down below in the description and use checkout code Bitcoin LOCKUP, all one word, and that will save you an extra 10% off. And that is it for this video. So we'll go ahead and wrap it up. Crypto Renegade out.